Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reactive disable Instagram account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser. So I'm going to open Chrome, and here you need to search help Instagram deactivated account, and then you need to click on the first link, and then you need to click on I understand, and here you need to enter your name, your email address, and your Instagram username, and here you need to mention your issue, and after that you need to attach your screenshot, and then you need to check mark this box, and here you need to put your electronic signature and click on send. Once you click on send, then the Instagram team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help you reactive your disabled Instagram account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.